Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create an account on eToro. So the first step is to go to their official website, or if you want you can download their official app and then simply click on join eToro, as you can see on this button, and then here you have to simply create an account. If you want you can use Google or your Facebook account to create an account, or you can enter your email and then you'll have to create your username, then enter the password and then simply accept the terms and conditions and then simply create your account. Then you'll have to simply verify your eToro account. So you have to send the proof of identity. So you have to send an image with your ID, and then you have to simply send the proof of address. And as you can see, your proof of address can be one of the following. So it can be a bank statement, credit card statement, electricity, water or gas bill, and any of these options here. And basically that's all you have to do, and then you can start buying and selling stocks and cryptocurrencies. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.